Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the exact Google account you used. This matters because history is account scoped. Next, make sure web and app activity was enabled at the time you want to recover, since restoration depends on server-side logs. Once done, review device sync. If another device still holds local cache, you can recover entries there. Also prepare to use Google Takeout and account activity tools. These are the first actionable tools you'll access. Now trigger a Google Takeout export of my activity. Choose JSON format so search details are structured and searchable. While the export runs, check browser cache and history files locally, Chrome's History SQLite file or Firefox places. SQLite may still contain entries not synced. Also flush and then inspect DNS cache logs on your OS to reveal recently resolved domains. This can expose search targets. If data was deleted recently, request an account activity export from Google Support as an additional route. Finally, open the Takeout JSON in a text editor or import into a spreadsheet, then filter by date, product type, and search keywords to recover specific queries. If the export lacks records, pivot to device backups, sync devices, and router or DNS logs as alternate sources. Make sure to document timestamps and account ID before contacting Google Support. If you must escalate, provide proof of ownership. This speeds resolution. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears, act quickly. Data retention windows are limited.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.